maybe do it.
You're not doing light on?
Yeah, no real reason to. For some reason, it washes it out with the light on.
Yeah, I'm glad we put that up there. It looks good up there.
It's a good spot for it. And it does a good job up here too. Blander fan.
You doing spin down?
May as well.
If I put the light back on, does it wash out again?
Don't. God dang. It's definitely a good spot for that to go, because I've been meaning to put this up somewhere and I didn't know where to put it. Because it kind of hangs too low to go down here anywhere. Caca, caca. You say it's a K55 or a K63?
K55.
Okay.
I think it's a K55B, but I'm not sure. Or it could just be a regular K55.
I can't remember the motor designations on these. All I know is big motor.
It's no, K63 goes a lot faster.
And there's that.